Hey YouTube, let us make some garlic shrimp Alfredo pasta. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. All my returning subscribers, welcome. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please consider subscribing if you like the content, and also like this video if you do. In today's video, I'll be making some garlic shrimp Alfredo pasta. So I have my shrimp here, to which I'll be adding some seasoning to. I don't use black pepper, but if you do, you can go ahead and use that, but I sure do use salt. So here I'll be adding about a teaspoon of salt to the shrimp here. Then I'll be adding about a teaspoon of my green seasoning, which I'll link in the description box below, guys. Alright, so this is all the seasoning that I'll be putting on the shrimp. And right here now I'm adding about a teaspoon of oil to it, just to blend the seasoning and the salt on the shrimp here. Alright, and now I'm stirring it together. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to set this aside and then move on to the pasta. So ready to start on the pasta. So I have some water in here, boiling. So I'm going to generously season it with some salt. Salt in there. And I'm dropping a little oil in there, just to keep them separated, and some coconut oil as usual. And this is what I'll be using, fettuccine. Alright. I'm just going to gently spin them around to get them down in the pot there. So what the oil is going to do is to prevent them from sticking. Taste the water. Have enough salt. So we're going, I'm going to cover it all the way because I don't want it to boil over. And then allow that to boil or cook according to so I have them on here for about 6 minutes. So I don't want to overcook them. So I'm going to take them off now and put them in some cold water, rinse them off. So here's the pasta. I've shock it in some cold water. So now I'm going to put some a little more coconut oil on it, just to keep them separated and don't get them sticky just yet. Alright, so I'm just going to spin it around like that. Alright. Just like that. I'm going to add some coconut oil, about a tablespoon. So we're going to saute down the shrimp first. So we're going to start drop them now. I just want a little color on them. Since we don't want to cook them too long. Turn them around. So being that I'm going to add them to the sauce, later I'm not going to keep them in much longer. So pretty. Alright, so we're going to drop the flame on that. So I'm dropping about a tablespoon of butter. Okay. And then I'm just going to drop about 2 tablespoons of garlic to it. Oh, man. I'm going to drop a little dried parsley in there. I don't have any fresh ones, so I'm dropping a little dried parsley in there. know, seafood, you have to use some citrus in there. So here I'm putting about a tablespoon of fresh lime juice in there. Now adding back the shrimp to this garlicky goodness here. Ooh. Well garlicky. Just this now. Turn off the flame. Let's remove it out of the pot because I don't want it to continue to cook. So let's remove it out of the pot. Let's grab a same plate here. Drop it in there. Oh my gracious goodness. Woo! Tons of flavor. Woo! I'm now ready to start on the Alfredo sauce. So here I'm adding about a tablespoon of oil, coconut oil that is, to the pot here. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow that to melt. My family loves spice, so I'm adding about a tablespoon of finely chopped Scotch bonnet pepper there. And some finely diced onions. I'm starting on the roux now, so I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of flour to the pot here, which I'm going to toast off to get off the rawness off of it. So I'm now ready to add some milk, which is about 2 cups of milk. I have some help here, my daughter helping me to do so. Don't worry about this, guys. I know it looks a bit lumpy, but it's going to get smooth in a short while. Alright, so just pouring the milk there in the pot there, and then constantly stirring so as to get rid of the lumps. Alright, I'm switching to my whisk now, which is going to help me to get rid of the lumps easier. Alright, so don't want to pour all the milk down in there at once. You need to slowly add it while stirring. Alright, and see there, the lumps are now gone. Adding about a teaspoon of salt here, some thyme leaf, and some dried parsley. So we're allowing this to thicken up some. Look at that beauty there. Oh man, so this is where I need it to be. Really thick and coating the spoon there. Right, I'm adding approximately a cup of grated parmesan cheese, which is going to add some richness and some creaminess to this sauce here. Look at that. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So it's coming along nicely. So it's right here now that I'm going to start adding the pasta to the pot here to absorb some of that beautiful sauce there. Right, let me turn off the flame because I don't want this sauce here to scald. Okay, we're going to stir it in. We're going to stir it in. Look at what we're going to do to this pasta here. Just when we thought it couldn't get any better, it's getting better now because we're adding all of this garlicky sauce here along with the shrimp to this pasta here. Man, woo! Just stir that in. All of that garlic, parsley. Oh man, and the pepper. Beautiful. have it, guys. My garlic shrimp Alfredo pasta. How beautiful does that look? So beautiful, even more delicious. Here I have it served with a slice of homemade garlic toast. Thank you so very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video, guys.